Hey guys, it's me Aashlesha and today I am going to be making a Women's Day card. First of all, a very happy Women's Day to all the women out there and all the little ladies out there. Today I am going to be making this card and I am going to be sharing the tutorial with you guys. So let's get started. First I am going to be making a circle and then I am going to be making a gradient in it. So guys, I've created this kind of a gradient and I'm going to put a border of hearts outside of the circle. Something like that. Now I'm going to be writing Happy Women's Day in between of the circle. Like this. Now I will write a quote and I'll write WOMAN and write a word starting from that letter. I've written it like this. WOMAN. W means wonderful, O means outstanding, M means marvelous, and A means adorable, and N means nice. Now I will write below again from Aashlesha. Now and then I will put the border. So I will show you how I'll write from Aashlesha. Below I'll write from. Like this, I put a dash and below I'll write Aashlesha. And a smiley face. Like that. Now I'll make a cute border on the sides, on the vertical lines. So yeah, let's start. Something like that. Look at these flowers. Those are the borders I made. They look so beautiful, neat and elegant. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe and bye.